Hi, welcome back. Now we're going to finish this little motif. You've probably gotten to this point, and hopefully you can see how the rings will move around on this central picot. So move them around so you got plenty of room to attach your final. We've got this chain going, all done. So now we're going to do our final ring. So we've got 3 picots. No, we have 3 rings. No. We have 3 double stitches that we're going to connect and join to this picot. Another 3 double stitches, and just pack this out of the way. 2, 3. Now we're going to connect that one to our central ring. One, 2, 3, and this one we are going to connect to this final picot here from your first ring. Finish it up with the last 3 double stitches. All right. And we are going to close our ring. No knots, please. Remember to go through the loop before you close. So there is our 5th ring. Do our overhand knot. We've got one more chain. And that is a chain of 4 double stitches. 2, 3, 4, and a picot. 2, 3, 4. 4 double stitches, picot, 4 double stitches. Close your chain, have a nice little arc, do your overhand knot. Okay, now what you're going to do is you are going to explore right here between this ring and this chain, and there will be a thread where you can go through, and you're just going to bring this up. Got to grab scissors. Okay, and then we're going to clip this end. Get that out of the way. Bring this down. Do your overhand knot. Finish it up. And then run your ends through. So we'll clip this. Thread your needle. All right, this thread here wants to go this direction. So we will thread this one in here. And again, if you're going to put these on something that's going to be washed, you're going to want to run it all the way around the ring so that it can't come out. And if not, you can go halfway around and that'll be fine. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this yet, so we'll go all the way around. And you're running through the center of these double stitches. And we'll just come out here. Open the scissors just a tiny bit slide it over the thread and down and give a little tug so you don't clip your work. And then we'll do the same thing with the other one. Oh yes. The larger the thread, the more difficult to get it through the needle. But there's always a way. There we go. And this one wants to go this way. So we'll put this one up through here. Again, don't pull your stitches too tight or you'll have a heck of a time trying to get the needle through when you finish. This is a really, really big thread so that you can see what's happening. I don't like working with thread this big, but sometimes it is necessary. I'm just going to go that far. We'll clip it off. And call it good. So, there's your first motif. I'll be back probably next week with a new video. Thanks for watching.